Hi, I'm Brian Garcia, meteorologist with the National Weather Service here in Eureka, California, here to talk about the upcoming Thanksgiving weekend weather. Let's get into it. Let's start with the weekend weather highlights. First, we're looking at a wet weekend for Northwest California. Secondly, it's going to be a wet Thanksgiving weekend. And finally, did I mention that it's going to be a wet weekend? Okay, so it's going to be wet. But what will be the weather impacts? Heavy rain or long duration rain events across Northwest California can cause several different impacts on roads and property. For vehicle travel this weekend, we're expecting several small rock slides over mountain roads. There is always a chance that larger rock slides could occur as well. Landslides are also possible if soil saturation becomes sufficient. Roads will definitely be wet, which can lead to ponding water and bring a threat of hydroplaning. Outside of road-specific threats, during periods of heavy rain, water in low-lying areas will likely cause some small amount of flooding. Cleaning those storm drains will help alleviate some of this threat. Areas with poor drainage will obviously be most prone to localized flooding. Beyond impacts at ground level, air travel may have some delays due to low ceilings and reduced visibility during periods of heavy rain. Down at San Francisco Airport, lowering ceilings automatically trigger a slowdown, which means Northwest California flights are impacted as well. So what's causing this wet weather? Well, a series of storm systems will continue to bring a stream of moisture across the region through the weekend into early next week. While there will likely be breaks in the rain between now and Sunday, they won't be long enough to allow things to dry out substantially. As it stands right now, Sunday looks like it will bring the bulk of the rain. How much rain are we talking about? Well, models are still trying to zero in on locations and amounts, but a good early estimate comes from the Weather Prediction Center, which shows totals up to 5 to 7 inches over portions of Mendocino and Del Norte counties. These amounts will likely be confined to the mountains. Other areas look to be in the 2 to 4 inch range. Remember, this is a 5-day total from today through Sunday night. It's looking wet, wet, wet. All that to say, plan your travels accordingly and follow us on Twitter and Facebook for the latest information that we have coming out. And from all of us here at the National Weather Service in Eureka, California, we wish you a happy and very safe Thanksgiving. Thanks for listening.